Bien, hemos estado hablando un montón de todo este viaje porque Henry lleva aquí más de un mes, pues no aquí,
Yo soy local.
pero sí en Asia, fue a Japón, fue
I was not planning on hiding this from you.
de todo este viaje porque Henry lleva aquí más bien, hemos estado hablando un montón de todo este viaje porque Henry lleva aquí más de un mes, pues no aquí,
Yo soy local.
pero sí en Asia, fue a Japón, fue
I just want to be completely honest and authentic and truthful with you guys today. That is just what I've been, and I want to continue to be that. Transparent. That is just what I've been, and I want to continue to be that. Transparent. That is just what I've been. That is just what I've been. Transparent.
Okay, so I'm not surprised at all that I'm doing this video. I called it a long time ago that Rovana, whose actual name is Jovana, would go back to eating tortured animal bits and pieces. And here she goes, making a 33-minute video filled with me excuses as to why she's gone back to grinding baby chicks alive and suffocating and dragging innocent fish from their home. And who knows what else the fuck she is eating? She is obviously a compulsive liar, so you cannot believe a single word she says. You know, the only reason that she has come clean and made this video is because, as you saw, she was caught out eating fish and the video went viral.
I've known Rovana, it's Jovana, but we call her Rovana because your channel is Rovana. Yeah. And we have known each other since 2013.
Yes.
We went to the Woodstock Fruit Festival and we met there.
Yes.
Yeah. And
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hola. Estoy aquí con mi amiga Freely the Banana Girl.
Okay, so a little bit of a backstory. As a lot of you know, Jovana and I have been friends for years, and I use the term friends loosely. Well, after this video, that is no longer. I do not have time for fake people pretending to be vegan for money and fame. People who think it's perfectly okay to exploit animals. Screw them. They are some of the most unethical fake fucks I know. And sure, Jovana and I have had some nice chats over the years, but it's not about that. And just as with fully fake Christina, I've always felt like she only ever wanted to hang out so she could promote herself or her products to my audience. As I said in the video, I first met Jovana in 2013 at the Woodstock Fruit Festival, where the first thing she said to me was, "Oh my God, Freely, how do you stay so skinny?" So that in itself should tell you a lot about where her focus is.
I was vegan, completely vegan for over 6 years.
No, Rovana, you were not a vegan for 6 years. Stop associating yourself with people who actually care about animals. Let's call you what you actually were. You were a fake plant-eating speciesist using the animals and the vegan label as a way to make money and gain fame. And now you're just a fake animal eater who will continue doing the same. Come on, Jovana. We know this pic is more about you popping your ass for Instagram rather than the actual elefante.
And it's been 2 months since I started incorporating eggs and fish into my diet.
No, you don't just incorporate dead animals into your diet like you're just adding some lifeless tofu or something. They're not freaking medicine or protein supplements. They are living, feeling beings.
I am so excited to announce my new program, the 21-day Raw Vegan Detox and Yoga Challenge.
The thing that really gets to me here is that you released your 21-day program about a month ago, but claim to have been eating animal bits and pieces for 2 months. I actually call bullshit on that one and say it's more like 6 months, as you've been with your meat-eating partner much longer. But this is the real reason. You haven't told anyone, Jovana, because you wanted to release your new starvation program and steal people's hard-earned money before you told them the truth. And that's if you ever intended on telling them the truth.
I'm so excited for you to reset your body, to feel vibrant, to feel alive, to lose weight, to feel confident, and to learn how to truly nourish your body.
So you make all these claims about how wonderful your program is, how it's amazing, it's going to make you feel so good and you're going to lose weight. But the whole time, it was supposedly making you sick. How unethical can you be? You say you love your Rovana family, but then you push a dangerous starvation diet plan on them. Sure, it's healthy eating plant foods, but not starving yourself on them. So over the years, I have found Jovana to be increasingly fame and money driven. It literally repulses me, so I had to unfollow her. Sure, I understand. She needs to make an income, as I do too. However, I question whether she actually has an ethical bone in her entire body. She's already a multi-millionaire, flies in her family's private jet, has a personal chef, and often travels with a personal bodyguard. Yes, she's even more loaded than Fully Fake Christina. And still insists on product pushing freaking tinfoil to her Ravana fan, as she calls them, for the big bucks. But the main reason I unfollowed her quite a while back was because she non-stop, every post, kept pushing a low-carb starvation version of a plant-based lifestyle. I knew it was bad, but I didn't realize how bad until now when I discover the calories she recommends are only around 1,200 per day. Right under my nose this whole time, she is scamming women into starvation weight loss. 1,200 calories, the same amount of calories as what a fucking 2-year-old child needs to survive. Not a fully grown active female, which is around 2,400 calories per day. Double. And this is why I designed Raw Till 4 at an average of 2,200 to 2,400 calories per day, because that's a healthy recommendation for active adult females. And as many of you know, I suffered from disordered eating myself, which I overcame. So now I do my best to bring girls away from these starvation fads to eating enough so they will be completely satisfied after eating and not starving, looking to animals as food. But the problem is these girls' bodies are so starved, like mine was initially, so starved from these starvation plans, from these diets, that when they start eating enough food, they naturally gain weight. But instead of accepting that as a part of recovery, which I did, accepting it as part of the path, you have to accept it, and sticking to the lifestyle long term, they jump to the next starvation plan and their weight just yo-yos forever. This sort of 21-day weight loss rubbish gets me really mad. It is what destroys women's lives, and ultimately what destroys animals' lives. It's not okay. Women, of course, no doubt, end up feeling like crap and starved eating this way and have no ethical education whatsoever, so they just casually jump to the next fad diet, which includes, you guessed it, eating animals again. Yovana teaches them that a vegan lifestyle is a fad weight loss diet, not an ethical lifestyle about animal liberation. But hey, Yovana's happy because she gets to empty their wallets as they pass through.
And a year into my journey, I decided to do a 25-day water fast. So I fasted for 25 days. Yes, I only drank water for 25 days.
Ugh, Esther's loco. What a stupid thing to do. And what did I say to you at the time, Yovana? I told you, do not do it. Do not water fast. But you went along and did it. I even say it in my Raw Till 4 book. Do not water fast or juice feast because it is damaging for your metabolism. For those 25 days, Yovana put herself into a 60,000 or more calorie deficit, which damages your body and sets yourself up for huge binges and a weight rebound in future.
I decided to put my health first. For a while, I hadn't put it first, and I wasn't considering all of the options. And for me, it was now an option. I was seeing it as an option. So I gave myself the opportunity to try something else, to experiment.
Yovana, stop acting like a victim. You are not the victim here. You are the perpetrator. You pay to have animals abused and killed for your meals. An actual vegan would never go back to eating animals' body parts. It is never an option. Never, never, never. No, you don't experiment with the lives of other animals. Their bodies are not yours to do what you please with. They exist on this earth with us, not for us.
Before that, I just want to say that I believe in this diet that it can heal people.
You are missing the whole goddamn point. The vegan lifestyle is not a diet. It's not a diet to heal you. Even though the lifestyle does heal, if you don't starve your stupid ass, it is an ethical lifestyle for life that causes the least harm possible to animals. It's about animal liberation, not about your candida vagina.
I love you so much. I love you. I only wish the best for you, for me, for everyone.
Everyone, hey? Well, except for the animals you now eat.
You are a big part of my life, and I see you as friends. I'm so grateful to have you in my life, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Damn, she is fake. Yovana, give it a break, honey. You don't love your fans. You love the truckloads of dinero they can bring you. You obviously don't see your fans as friends. If you really did, then you wouldn't spend months, probably years, lying to their faces. You wouldn't be teaching them how to starve and scamming them out of their money. Okay, so I'm going to round up this video now. Yovana claims to have health issues. However, she has shown herself to be a compulsive liar who only owned up once caught out, as you saw in this video. And I call bullshit on her health claims, but rather she is gaining weight after restricting for years, and because she's always seen veganism as a weight loss diet, she is now just jumping to another diet. If it's true she has health challenges, then she can blame it on her stupid fasting and starvation diet. And there is always a cruelty-free answer to any health issues on a vegan lifestyle. Yovana, your behavior disgusts me. You are not a good person, no matter how much you talk about God and about loving your audience and all of that shit. You have become a money-hungry fame monster. I can see you in the future with your forced fake smile, holding up tortured animals instead of spuds and wrapping them in foil and dancing with them for money. You are a sellout. Leave animals alone.